Is your dog secretly mad at you? You might be surprised dogs have their own ways of showing frustration. If your pup suddenly ignores you, avoids eye contact, or turns their back, yep, that could be a doggy silent treatment. Chewing your favorite chews or refusing treats, it's not just bad behavior. It might be payback for something they didn't like. But don't worry, your dog still loves you. A little extra attention, playtime, or cuddles usually fixes everything. So next time your furry friend acts a bit off, listen to what they're really trying to tell you, because behind that cute face, there might just be a little rough attitude. Follow Loyalty Pets for more dog secrets and behavior tips.